5 Best Cordless Vacuum for Carpet Reviews. Number 1. Shark Ion Flex 2X2O Clean. No list of best cordless vacuum for carpet and hardwood is complete without featuring at least one cordless cleaner from the Shark. If you have heard about the Shark as one of the best manufacturers in the business, you are right indeed. The Shark Ion Flex is one of the most advanced cordless vacuum for carpet for people with a decent budget. It has already gained a reputation for being able to last more than average carpet vacuums. It uses 2 battery packs, which is a great convenience for those who have a large pile of dirt that needs to be cleaned. It can handle anything from large pebble-sized debris to fine dust particles with much ease. Number 2. Onsen Stick Vacuum Cleaner. The last pick in our list of top 7 best cordless vacuum, the Onsen Stick Vacuum Cleaner. It is one of the best cordless stick vacuums within the budget available on the market. It is lightweight and powerful enough for doing everyday carpet cleaning in your home. Onsen Stick Vacuum Cleaner has a 40-minute maximum runtime, which is enough for a medium-sized house. The 150-watt suction can effectively clean a large amount of dirt and dust from your carpet. There are 2 interchangeable brush heads for cleaning both the carpet and also the hardwood floor as well. Onsen Stick Vacuum Cleaner can be used to reach and clean dirt from the ceiling and other much higher places too. You can adjust the motor head in any directions to clean up as you want. Number 3. Hoover Lynx Cordless Stick Vacuum. It is not so uncommon to be felt restricted by the power cord of your regular vacuum cleaner, yet many of us can't buy a new one. Because we have already spent our money on buying a costlier corded carpet cleaner, and now you have to settle for the one you have until it dies out, right? Not right. Hoover Lynx is an affordable yet powerful cordless vacuum for carpet that you can buy even if you own other carpet cleaning machines. It is a cordless stick vacuum that allows you to clean up around the house anywhere and in any hardwood surface or the carpet. You can even clean under the furniture without having to move any furniture. Number 4. Dyson V11 to Work Drive. A powerful, modern and one of the best cordless vacuum for carpet, Dyson V11 Torque Drive is a top-notch professional and home carpet cleaner. Though it is quite expensive, its qualities make worth it as it can do twice the suction of any cord-free vacuum. Dyson V11 has an intelligent high-torque cleaner head that adapts to different floor types automatically. It can help you clean pet hair, dirt, and food spillage from the carpet. The suction power on boost mode is a literal beast as it can clean virtually any surface or furniture. Also, you can easily monitor the runtime and machine performance by its LCD screen displays as well. Number 5. Mazu Cordless Vacuum 4-in-1. The Mazu 4-in-1 is a wonderful handheld stick vacuum. It provides such a fantastic performance that everyone deserves to experience it. Its high-efficiency cyclone tech generates a high-speed rotating airflow to clean dirt from the surface, which is very effective for deep cleaning your carpet. Also, it's a high-density HEPA filtration system that removes so small dust particles up to 99.97%. The manufacturers have kept the battery small and detachable for more convenience. The battery is super long-lasting as well. You can instantly switch to its handheld mode with the press of a button. It adds great flexibility with cleaning small corners and crevices which are unable to reach. Mazu Cordless Vacuum 4-in-1 has a very light build, so it can provide a very strain-free cleaning experience to every user.
Oh.